Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Now I'm gonna make ruz bil sha'riya, which means vermicelli rice. Before I start cooking my vermicelli rice, I soaked my basmati rice for 30 minutes in cold water, and then I rinse it very well to get rid of all the starch so I can end up with fluffy, delicious rice. Okay, I'm gonna bring a pot on low heat, 2 to 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Once it gets hot, I will add my vermicelli. At this point, don't walk away. This vermicelli is very thin, so it can burn very quickly. So keep stirring, and I will show you the color that we are aiming at. I like to call this rice the playful rice because the vermicelli will give it an edge. You keep stirring the vermicelli until it's dark brown. Not brown, not golden, dark brown. This is the only babysitting you need to do for that dish. Just getting the right color of the vermicelli. The rest is so quick and very easy. Okay, now it's time to add my rice. Very slowly so the oil doesn't splatter and hurt your face. Lower your hands and add the rice. Make sure that your rice is well coated with the oil. Keep stirring. The toasted vermicelli smells perfect. Okay, it's time to add our broth. So add the broth slowly. So basically, for every 1 cup of basmati rice, I add 1.5 cups of water. Now that I added the broth, I'm gonna add my seasoning. Bay leaves. Egyptian grandmas believe in the power of bay leaves. They always add bay leaves to their stews or rice pots. They strongly believe that it keeps our gut clean and healthy. So I'm gonna, follow their advice, and I'm gonna add 2 or 3 bay leaves. I would say a half teaspoon at this point of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Some people like to add white pepper so it doesn't speckle or show in the rice, but I love to see black pepper in the food. What I'm gonna share now is the secret behind a fluffy rice, not a mushy or a sticky one. We bring the rice for 5 minutes to a boil on high heat. So now that my rice is boiling, I'm gonna lower the heat to the lowest option possible. I'm gonna bring a towel. I'm gonna wrap the lid with it, add the lid, and I'm gonna tie it upward so it doesn't catch on the flame. And why do we put a towel? To trap the moist. Otherwise, it's gonna turn into droplets on the other side of the lid. And this trick will keep the rice moist and fluffy. We'll keep it like this. We're gonna check again in 5 minutes and fluff it with a fork. Now I'm gonna uncover my rice pot and check. Very softly so you don't squish the rice. It's very tender. The basmati is very tender. And this is how it should look like. Now that my rice is cooked to perfection, I'm gonna cover it, turn off the heat, and keep it covered until you're ready to serve it. Now let's reveal together the glory of vermicelli rice. See the color of the vermicelli, it's dark brown, and the rice is all fluffy, not sticky, not mushy. Now I'm gonna plate my rice in this nice dish. Vermicelli rice goes with so many Egyptian dishes. For something extra, I'm gonna add the zest of 1 lemon, and this is just me. gonna enliven the taste and gives it this refreshing hint. Now I'm gonna add my slices of lemon on the side just to gild the lily. Here is my vermicelli rice ready. Bon appetit. As I mentioned, you can serve it next to stews or to any soup of your liking. Try the recipes. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and I'll be back with many more interesting Egyptian recipes.